Okay, we're here at Victory Spinal Care this morning and with the owners of Victory Spinal Care. So why don't you introduce yourselves, please?
Sure. I'm Dr. Emily Elias.
I'm Dr. Alejandro Elias.
Okay, and tell us a little bit about your business.
Sure. We are Victory Spinal Care. We are an upper cervical office here in Abilene, Texas. And we specifically focus on the upper cervical area as well as pediatrics and perinatal care for pregnant women.
Okay. Let me ask you, there's kind of three things that new businesses, and you guys are a rather new business, there's kind of three things that seem to be a challenge sometimes for new businesses. One is getting customers and making sales. Of course, in your business, you're going to want to get patients. So tell us just a little bit about what your process has been about getting new patients here in Abilene, since neither one of you are from Abilene.
Absolutely. So we moved to Abilene in June 2021. We were supposed to open in July 2022. Construction got delayed. Then it was September, it got delayed. And then October, it got delayed. And we opened on December 6th. So it got delayed a couple times there. So in that period of time, what we did was creating relationships and trying to meet the community. We did a lot of business surveys and tried to be in every event as possible. Mm-hmm. And there was a big objection. Somebody tried to step on our feet and tried to get us in trouble. So we're going to talk about that on February 14th as well.
Yes.
So what are some of the skills, some of the business skills you brought with you, and since starting this endeavor, what business skills have you had to learn so far?
I think business skills for me goes all the way back to like high school jobs. I worked at a couple restaurants growing up, and that ultimately helps you with customer service. I think everybody in general needs to work in customer service, whether it's retail or restaurant. So I think that really helps. But we were able to work at a practice previously in Missouri, and we were able to interact with patients and get to know them and just understand how important business skills are moving into opening our own business.
Absolutely, I agree with that, and just creating a lot of relationships. And one of the big things that we didn't know was how to have an employee. Mm-hmm. So it's not the same working for another office and trying to handle other employees rather than having your own employee.
Yes.
Last question, what do you wish somebody had told you before you started your business that you didn't know at the time?
Mm-hmm. So much. It costs a lot of money to own your own business. That's definitely a big one. When we go through chiropractic school, we don't learn about business at all. So you learn how to be a really good doctor, you learn how to care for your patients, but you don't learn how to care for your business. You don't learn about capital or profits or taking payroll, for example. You don't learn any of that in chiropractic school when you're earning your doctorate degree. So I think just learning how to be an entrepreneur would be really helpful prior to opening a business.
Absolutely. Yes, I'm thankful that we put the time on books and things like that, and we actually have a coach that taught us a lot of things that we didn't learn in school, but basically it's what Dr. Emily said. I agree with that, and a lot of people said we couldn't make it and that we're not going to make it, and yeah, that was like feeding the monster, so it's a good thing that we heard of that.
Well, very good. Well, we are looking forward to seeing both of you on February 14th at the Abilene Startup Community. So thank you for your time, and we'll see you then.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Can't wait.